In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen talks about oral cancer.
Oral cancer or mouth cancer affects the tissues within the oral cavity. This includes the lips, gums, tongue, inner cheeks, roof of the mouth, and floor of the mouth.
You also find that you'll have swelling in the neck, a sore that doesn't really heal for a long time. If you're wearing dentures, the dentures no longer fit. Sometimes they get too tight because the gums start to swell. You also get bleeding similar to, and loose teeth similar to periodontal disease.
The exact cause of oral cancer is not known, but researchers say the majority of oral cancers are linked to genetics, HPV, tobacco, and alcohol use.
You can confuse it with periodontal disease, gum disease, ulcers, and other symptoms, yes.
How do they know that it's oral cancer?
The patient themselves would not know, because some of these develop over a long period of time. They may think it's a burn, an itch, or whatever it is.
Like other cancers, persons can die from oral cancer, which is why regular checks for early intervention are necessary.
They really need to come into the professionals, have it looked at, checked out, and what the dentist would do, examine the area. If it's not healing or progressing, then they do what is known as a biopsy, which is taking a piece of the tissue and send it to the microscopic lab for further evaluation. And then that is confirmed as to what it is, then the patient is advised.
Oral cancer treatment usually involves surgical intervention, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. Some persons may also require palliative care. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.